हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं प्रशांत। आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले सेशन नंबर 16, SPI serial interface. SPI is one of the most popular serial communication protocol. SPI peripherals interface is an interface most commonly used to transmit and receive the data to microcontrollers and small peripherals such as shift registers, sensors, displays, flash memory, etc. Since it is synchronous communication, it uses a separate clock line and bit lines. The interface was developed by Motorola in the mid 1950s. SPI specification. An SPI serial peripheral interface system consists of one master device and one or more slave devices. But in I2C, we can have one or more master devices and one or more slave devices. The master is providing the SPI clock, and the slave is receiving the SPI clock from the master. SPI needs 4 wires at least, but some of the recent day devices support 3-pin mode and 4-pin modes also. MOSI, master out, slave is in, used to send the data from the master to the slave device. MISO, master in slave out, is used to receive the data from the slave to the master device. SCLK, serial clock, is the clock that is generated by the master device. SSCSC, slave select, chip used to select the slave data device in the SPI bus interface. SPI modes. The SPI interface defines no protocol for data exchange, limiting overhead, and allowing for high-speed data streaming. Mode 0. In this mode, CPOL is a 0 and CPHI is also 0. So the SCL starts as low and the data will be sampled at the first stage. Mode 1. In this mode, CPOL is a 0 and CPHI is also 1. So the SCLK starts as low and the data will be sampled at the second edge. Mode 2. In this mode, CPU is and CPHA is also 0. So the SCLK starts as high and the data will be sampled at the first stage. Mode 3. In this mode, CPOL is 1 and CPHA is also. So the SCLK starts as high and the data will be sampled at the second edge. Advantages of SPI. It's a way faster than asynchronous serial communication, and I2C almost twice as faster. No start and stop bits, so the data can be streamed continuously without interruption. No slave addressing mechanisms like I2C. It has separate MISO and MOC lines, so data can be sent and received at the same time. Full disadvantages of SPI. It requires more lines wires than other communication methods, even until I2C only requires 2 lines. There is no acknowledgement to inform the data has been successfully transferred to C and no error detection protocol is defined. The communications must be well defined in advance. You cannot send random amounts of data whenever you want. The master must control all communications. Slaves cannot talk directly to each other. It usually requires separate CS line to each peripheral, which can be problematic if numerous slaves are needed. So आज के लिए दोस्तों इतना ही तो thank you.